In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Photos to Dropbox. If you want to move your pictures from Google Photos over to Dropbox, the process is actually pretty simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without getting lost. We'll first download the photos from Google Photos, then upload them into Dropbox. I'll also show you a faster drag and drop option for laptop or desktop users. Start by going to the Google Photos website and signing into your Google account. Once you're in, look through your library and select the photos you want to transfer. If you only need one or two, just click them individually. If you want to select multiple photos, you can hold Shift or Control on Windows while clicking to make the selection process easier. This helps save time, especially if you're moving a large group of images. After selecting your photos, go to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, choose Download. Google Photos will then prepare your files. If you download multiple photos at once, they may be saved as a zip file rather than as separate images. The downloaded file will usually go into your Downloads folder, so that's where you'll want to check next. Now head over to the Dropbox website and sign in to your Dropbox account. Once you're logged in, click on Files so you're in the area where you want your photos to be stored. This is where you'll upload everything you just downloaded from Google Photos. Next, click Upload. Dropbox will give you a couple of choices here. If you're uploading individual image files, choose Files. If your downloaded photos were extracted into a folder, or if you organize them into a folder yourself, choose Folder instead. Then simply browse to your Downloads folder, select the files you want, and click Upload. Depending on how many photos you're moving and your internet speed, this may take a little time, so just wait until the upload finishes completely. If you're using a laptop or desktop, there's also a faster method. Open Google Photos in one tab and Dropbox in another tab. Download the photos from Google Photos first, just like before. Then open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. From there, drag the downloaded photos directly into the Dropbox browser window. This can be quicker and feels more hands-on if you prefer moving files visually. That's it. Once the upload is complete, your Google Photos will now be stored in Dropbox.